Hello everyone, my name is Betül. As you know, last week we talked about turn taking, question types, nonverbal cues, and storytelling. So today we are going to look at participant structures. First of all, what will we learn today? We are going to look at participant structures, pinpoint participation, ratified and unratified participants, under life in the classroom, individual repertoire in shared participant structures. We will look at them in detail. First of all, types of participation and their effects. Participant structures means how interaction is organized in the classroom. It's like who speaks or who listens, or who speaks to whom, like teacher speaks to students or students speak to students. So what are these structures? These are whole class discussions, small group work, and also sometimes students work with pairs, individual work, or group project. And also we have Susan Phillips study. She studied about the Native American students, and she identified four common participant structure. A teacher with whole class, teachers speak the whole class, and teacher and some students. In class, there are some students speak all the time with the teachers, and students work independently, and students work in small groups in some group projects. And also in warm spring homes and in traditional classrooms, we will look at them. Children learn by watching quietly, and they learn by practicing with their peers. But in the traditional classroom, students expected to speak in front of the class, answer the teacher questions publicly. And also, when teacher adopts the participant structure, student participation increase. It's like less teacher-fronted talk with more participation. And participation structures can give or limit the student's voice. There are some structures that can suitable for all students. So different structures can include some students, but at the same time they exclude some other students. And we have pinpointing participation. We have mapping in here. This helps us to see who talks the most or how interaction is organized. So we have teacher-fronted lecture. As you see, first of all, T means teacher and S means students. As you see, there are too many T. It means that teacher speaks all the time and students speak rarely. So teacher dominates the talk. And also teacher-fronted review, question and answers. Teacher asks a question and students answer it, but still teacher controls the interaction. And teacher facilitates student participation. In here there are some just two or three students speaks. So participation is shaped not only by language but also by the structure. And also we have ratified and unratified participants. In classrooms, sometimes students keep silent because they don't want to speak, but they listen. So silent doesn't mean they don't participate, they don't know anything. Sometimes students and both teachers can participate silently. So we have ratified listeners. These are the students like listening to teachers during a lecture. As you see in that picture, there are some students, they listen to their teacher. And then we have unratified listeners. It is someone listening outside the classroom door. It's generally teacher. Teacher don't participate to discussions all the time. They sometimes listen to students' participation, students' discussions. And also we have bystanders, overhearers, and eardroppers. Unratified listeners are also called bystanders. Overhearers, they claim they listened accidentally, and eardroppers, they listen intentionally. So, during a small group activities in the classroom, teachers become unratified listeners, and students may shape language or shift from off the topic related to talk. And role shifting. A teacher can have some different roles in the classroom, and this role can change from eavesdropper or ratified listeners, or they can be full participant in the classroom interaction. By studying classroom interaction, teachers can reflect on their listening role and understand silent students influence the interaction. So we have an important point in here. As we said, listening is a participation form. If a student just silence, it doesn't mean that they don't listen or they don't engage. And underlife in the classroom. What is underlife? Underlife means the unofficial talk that happens in classroom under the official talk. Sometimes the teacher speaking in the classroom, students whispers, make jokes, or exchange their answers, or they don't talk. They talk in a different subject. This called underlife. An official layer, it means like teacher and students interaction. And unofficial layer means students interaction with the students. It is underlife. And silent or quiet students still can be active participants. They are engaged, as we said. Students who don't raise their hand may understand the topic, discuss it with peers, and avoid public mistakes. Why students use underlife to test their ideas or stay engaged, participate without embarrassment. And underlife emerge when students' ideas are ignored. It means that, as you remember in MOOC, there was an example about this. There is a class discussion about the barbecue party, but a student whispered that he is vegetarian. So teacher listens him and heard it. So he designed the organization based on the students. So as a teacher, you need to pay attention to your students' opinions, ideas, feelings. It is important. And also we have individual repertoire in shared participant structures. Um, we have normative participant structures. They are turn taking, teacher directed talk, or group discussions. As we said, like these kind of structures can limit the students' interactions. So we have also peer language. In classroom, students speak to a dual audience with their peers and with their teachers. And we have emotional language. It shows feelings and personal opinions, and also it is common in peer talk. And factual language, it is more objective and distant, common in the teacher talk, and avoids personal pronouns. So different participation structures means different types of participation. Allowing emotional language can increase classroom interaction. And I think that's all for today. These are my comments from MOOC. Thank you for listening. See you again later.